Yo guys, this is why I did not take a trade today. So let's get into it. Alright, news. Nothing around 7 a.m. So I was chilling. GJ, we have the high and the low. We didn't get a reaction of the high. We never even came close to the low. So yeah. Euro USD, we swept the low. We got the breaker structure, but then we got no retracement but we invalidated the fair value gap and never got an actual retracement. So no trade on that. I could take taken this trade on the USD against Canadian dollar, but I didn't. Yeah, this setup was actually kind of good because we tapped into London session high. 5-minute breaker structure to the downside. 5-minute fair value gap. Fair value gap gets filled. Scale down to the 1 minute. There's our 1-minute breaker structure. Boom, there's our entry. And we hit 1 to 2 RR. But yeah, I could have took that trade, but yeah, I didn't. So yeah, that's why I didn't take any trades today. I probably should have taken that one on the Canadian dollar, but it's all right. All right. Peace.